Woodpecker's Mini in-DEXABLE combination square system has all the interchangeable heads found in many full-size combination sets, but everything is scaled down to a proportion perfectly suited to small furniture and casework. The Mini combination square gives you a square and a miter square in the same tool. The double square is square on both sides and a bit more compact than the combination square. Both feature a sliding tab, which keeps your square in perfect position on the edge of your stock, then tucks out of the way when you need the square to sit flat. For angle layout, the Mini Protractor Head adjusts to any angle with an easy-to-read scale. It also includes positive stops at 22.5, 45, 67.5, and 90 degrees. Locate the center of square and round stock with the center finder. Just mark from two corners on a square or any 2 points on a circle to locate center. All three sizes of the Mini in-DEXABLE blades have laser cut scribing guides on 16th-inch centers. But how do you use a scribing guide when the heads are adjustable? All the heads have an indexing system that can lock the blade at any full inch mark. Now your scribing guides are dialed in for perfectly accurate position relative to the head. All four Mini in-DEXABLE heads have the indexing feature. The scales on the blades are laser engraved to an accuracy of 4/1000ths of an inch over the length of the blade. The laser engraving process actually changes the structure of the steel a full 10/1000ths of an inch deep, so you'll never rub off or wear through the graduations. Each head is available with its most popular blade length and a wall-mountable racket. But if you want a different blade length or want to share blades between heads, there's a second page on our website where you can order each head and blade individually. If you like them all, you'll save some money with our Deluxe Mini in-DEXABLE set that includes all four heads, all three blades, and rackets for each. The Mini in-DEXABLE combination square system from Woodpeckers. Versatile, accurate layout tools right in the palm of your hand. Order yours today.